Hey guys, what's going on today? We're back here again with our 2023 Ski-Doo Backcountry 850. Today we're going to be putting the full body skid plate underneath this thing. It didn't come with anything stock, so that was one of the first things we had on order to make sure that we get this brand new sled protected underneath there pretty good. And we'll bring you along for the journey here and hopefully show you how we did it. First thing we're going to do here is we're going to try and get this sled on its side. I'm going to take this block of wood, I'm going to put it on the ground, and hopefully it'll lean against my steering post here and keep the actual sled from hitting the ground. If not, I'll grab a different piece of wood and cut it to the right size. I just had this one laying around, so I'm just hoping that it works. Let's bring it over here and show you what we got. I got a block of wood on the steering post there, down on the ground. My plastics are not touching the ground at all. The rear bumper and everything like that, tunnel, everything's not touching the ground. It's just resting on the rear end of the track there. So we're all good. A little difficult to get that over on its side like that by yourself and get it lined up, but if you have a buddy to help you, great. If not, should be able to figure it out because I did. Now that we got this sled securely on its side, it gives us full access underneath here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my skid plate and I'm going to try and tape it with painter's tape all over the place and hold it in the spots that I want so I can drill the holes and pop all the rivets in. Now that I've noticed that all those marks are there, I'm going to take this back off and drill my holes, and then I'll just center the rivets between all these holes anyways. So look, there you can see a better look at the mark. There's one there, and there, one right there. There's one right there, which is very close to that rivet, but that works. These 4 of these in here it uses as well. And then the only other thing is down here, there's this one, which I think this bolt will be the one that goes in there, so I'll take that out and put that on. And also, I'm not sure what's on the other side of all this, so just be careful. Don't ram the drill bit through. All right, so now that we got all those holes drilled that I can see, I'm going to grab my rivet gun and start putting this thing on. Okay, so we're back here, we got our rivet gun, and now we're going to slowly start putting all the rivets in the holes we just drilled and start putting this skid plate on. Got our little buddy here helping us. Alright, so we're back here. Had to do a little bit of a repair on our rivet gun. It locked up and got stuck on the rivets. I couldn't get it off, so took it all apart, looped it up. Hopefully it works for me here, which
Why did it come with screws?
I don't know. Did you read the instructions?
www.instructions.brp.com.
Don't ram the fucking drill bits through. Alright, well, got the whole skid plate riveted on there. It's all ready to go. Just about it. Looks pretty good. Everything lined up fairly well. This one down here didn't end up using that bolt. Like I said earlier, it just, I had to drill a hole and rivet it. Same thing with up here. It did come with bolts. Not sure what they're for, but everything worked and was just able to be riveted on. So hopefully this skid plate keeps the underside of this sled protected from stones, rocks, trees, whatever. Keeps this sled running good.
Flotation.
Yeah, could give it a little extra flotation in the deep snow. We'll find out.